we are off. Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 1, week 3. That's day number 1, week 3, fall 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this afternoon's class. All right, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to head up. Today is Monday the 16th, is it? So let me write that down properly. Monday the 16th of September, 2024. The subject is, of course, mathematics, and today we're going to be looking, at least for the first part, because I don't think we could spend all day on this. For the first part of our lesson, we're going to be looking at expanded form to standard form. All right, so we're going to be looking at that. So Mario, where's Mario? Can you hear me? Where's Mario Bastian? I don't know if you can hear me. Najara, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the subject for today?
Math.
Mathematics, and what's the topic?
Expanded form to standard form.
Very good. Expanded form to standard form. And Asia, what's the topic?
Expanded form to standard form.
And Grace, what's the topic? Where's Grace? Grace, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was asking what is the topic for today?
Expanded form to standard form.
Very good. And legacy, what is the subject for today that we're going to be looking at?
Expanded form to standard form.
Okay. And where is, that's how you pronounce the name? How you pronounce the name again, Ms. Russell? Pronounce the name for me. Tajane?
Yes, sir.
Tajane. Okay, good. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to write down this question. And so we have, so write this down. So we have write 7,0,0,0,0,0 plus 6,0,0,0,0,0 plus 4,0,0,0,0,0 plus 2,0,0,0,0 plus 3,0,0 plus 80 plus 1. And we want to write this huge expression. We want to write it in standard form. That's our goal, to write it in standard form. Where's Mario? Mario, are you there? Can you hear me, Mario? I'm not hearing from Mario. Mario, you have to unmute your mic in order for you to be able to speak. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me, Mario?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mario, do you know how to do this?
Yes, sir.
What are we gonna do?
Add all the numbers up.
Add all the numbers up? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else know how to do this? How are we gonna do this? I wanna write this in standard form.
I know to do it.
You know how to do it? Tell me.
You're going to write it in this regular form. You're just going to put it back together.
Just gonna put it back together. Okay. And Tiajane, are you familiar with how to do this?
Yes, sir.
You are familiar? Okay. How many persons have already written this down? Legacy, you have this written down already? Where's Legacy?
I'm almost done writing it down.
Okay.
I finished writing it down.
Okay, good. Legacy, can you tell me what this number is? What is this number right now? Do you know? Legacy, do you know what number this is?
70,000.
70,000? Is she right?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
No? You want to try again, Legacy? Because notice how many zeros it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros.
70 million?
70 million? Is it 70 million? Or 70
Yes, sir.
billion?
Yes, sir.
How do you know that? How do you know it's 70 million?
Million has
So,
seven numbers.
so let's count the places, right? So this one is in the what? This zero is in the ones place, right?
Ones,
And then this zero is in the
tens,
tens place. And then this one is in the
hundreds, please.
hundreds place. And then this one is in the
Thousands, please.
thousands place. And then this one is in the
10,000s, please.
10,000s. And then this one is in the
100,000s, please.
100,000s, right? And then this one is in the what? After 100,000 is what? Grace, after 100,000 is what?
Millions.
Millions, very good. And then after millions is what?
10 million.
10 million, very good. Do you understand that, Legacy?
Yes, sir.
And Tiajane, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So Tiajane, what is this number? What place is this number in?
Ones,
And this one is in?
tens,
This one is?
hundreds,
Very good. How about this one?
thousands,
And this one?
10,000s,
Very good. And this?
100,000s,
100,000s. And this one is?
millions,
Millions. And then this one is?
10 million,
Say it again.
10 million.
10, 10, you said 10 million?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 10 million. Where's Mario? Mario, can you hear me? Where's Mario? Mario Bastian, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. What place is this number in? Mario?
So,
What place is this in? This is in the what place?
ones, please.
Very good. And then this one is in the what?
Tens.
Tens. Very good. And this one is in the what? If you don't know, then just tell me you don't know. I can let you know.
It's on 100 place.
Hundreds place. Very good. And then this one is in the
1,000 place.
thousands place. And then this one is in the
10,000 place.
10,000s. Very good. And this one is in the
100,000 place.
100,000s. And then this one is in the
Millions.
millions. And then this one is in the
Millions.
10 million. All right. Okay, good. So, so we got that out the way. What is this number? Anyone can tell me what this number is?
Yeah.
Yes, Mario?
It's 6 million.
6 million. Asia, what do you think this number is? This number right now. Asia, do you know?
No, sir.
No. And Legacy, what this number is? Legacy, what is this number?
6 million?
6 million, you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is 6 million. Grace, what number is this?
6 million.
6 million, very good. So we have Giano Coakley. Where's Giano? Giano Coakley, are you there? I can't hear from Giano. So this one,
He's here. He's here. We just was trying to unmute it.
okay. All right. Please, is he able to turn on this camera? Because I need to see him. All right, good. Thank you. So This number, Gianna, what number is this? The same one. What number is this, Giano? Do you know how to pronounce that number? Can you hear me, Giano?
6 million.
6 million, very good. And this number right here, Gianna, what place is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, what place is this?
Ones,
And this one?
tens,
Good, and this one?
hundreds,
Good, and this one?
thousand,
And this one?
1,000,
10,000. 10,000, and this one?
100,000,
Very good, and then this one?
million.
A million, very good. And then please write this down. Are you writing this down, Giano? Are you writing this down, Giano? That was my question.
That's all. That's all.
All right, good. All right, the rest of us, do we have all of this written down already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
so how do we pronounce this number? This is what?
Yes.
This number is
400,000.
400,000. And this number is,
400,000,
and this number is
20,000.
20,000. Very good. And then this number is
300,
300.
300. This is
80,
80.
80. And then this is,
1.
and this is
One.
1. Very good. So our goal is to write this in standard form. So how are we going to do this? You want to write it in standard form. What are we going to do?
76.
Okay, that's what I want you to do. Put your answers inside the chat. What you think is going to be in standard form? Put your answers inside. Put your answers inside the chat. I want you to take this number that's in expanded form and write it in standard form. Put your answers inside the chat for me. Let me see how we doing this. Put your answers inside the chat for me. So we have 70 million, 6 million, 400,000, 220,000, 380, and 1. Write this in standard form. Put your answers inside the chat for me.
I cannot see it.
You can't see the number?
The ball?
You can't see what I have on the screen?
Yes, sir.
No? Okay, let me stop sharing and share again. Okay. All right, can the rest of y'all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so put your hands inside the chat. Let me see. Grace. Really? Interesting. Grace put her hands inside the chat. Lucretia put her, Tiajane put her hands inside the chat. Legacy, I need to see your answer. Asia put her hands inside the chat. I need the rest of you to put your hands inside the chat. I only see 3 of them so far. Mario, where's Mario? Mario Bastian? Where's Mario? Mario, you need to put your hands inside the chat. Where is Grace? Legacy. Where's Legacy? Legacy.
Sorry, I'm kind of slow on the computer.
Oh, you trying to type?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Najara, you ready to put your answer?
Sorry.
Mario, ready to put her answer? I need you to put your answer inside the chat. What you think that this number is in standard form? Okay. So Legacy, we're waiting on you. Legacy. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's do this, right? So in order to put it in standard form, where's legacy? Legacy, you didn't put your answer in yet? Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with this one, you have to be very careful. Tiagene, you have to be very careful. Grace, you have to be very careful. Because what you have to do is you have to take the first number, right? So let's take the first number. What this number is, that's what? 7, right? And then we take the next number, which is what?
6.
Which is 6, right?
6.
Then we take the next number, which is what?
4.
4.
4.
4. Add a comma first.
4. Let me take the next number, which is what?
2.
Which
2.
is 2. Very good.
2.
But you gotta remember, this is 20,000, right? So we can't just write 3, because if we just write 3, the problem is you're going into hundreds. So we can't do that. So what we have to do is we have to write what?
Put a 0.
Have to put
A
a 0.
0.
Have to put a 0 in there, right? And then after that, we have what?
3.
We have 3. Yeah, 3. And after that, we have what?
8.
We have
8.
8, right? Then after that, we have what?
1.
We have 1. We have 1. How many persons got that?
Nope.
I got it.
Najara was the only one who got it. So you have to be very careful, Grace, especially, because once you put that answer, everyone follow the same answer. Grace, you understand the difference?
Yes, sir.
Because this is 70 million. So you have this have to be in the tens million place. This is 6 million. This has to be in the millions place. So the answer here is gonna be what? I even put it wrong. The answer is gonna be, oopsies, sorry. Let me share my screen again. So the answer is going to be 76 million, right? 420,381. So write that down for me, please. That's your answer. So the correct answer here is what? 76,420,381. All right. Do you all understand how we got that answer? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Giano Coakley. Where's Giano?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand how we got this answer?
No, sir.
No? Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the way how we got it is that, remember, we're trying to take this number that's as an expanded form. And we trying to, Giano, I cannot see you. I only could see the chair. I need to be able to see you. Okay, good. So
He- he's writing. That's why you maybe only be able, because he's writing, but you have on the whiteboard.
oh, okay.
So he's using my phone because the laptop didn't charge, so it's on his laptop.
Okay, I understand. All right. So what we have here is we have 70 million. So because we have 70 million, you're gonna take the 7 and you're gonna put it here in the tens million place. And then we have 6 million. So we have to take that 6 and put it here in the millions place. Do you understand that so far, Giano?
Yep.
Okay, good. Then we have 400,000. So you have to take this 4 and put it in the 100,000th place. And then we have this 2 and you have to take it. It's 20,000. So you have to take it and you have to put it in the 10,000th place. And then we have 0. So it's 420,000. Next, we go to 300. So we take the 3 and we put it here in the 100th place. We take the 8 and we put it in the 10th place. And we have the 1, we put it in the 1's place. And that's how we get our number. Do you understand that? That's how we write it in standard form, Giano.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. And the rest of you, Legacy, Mario, Tiagene, do y'all understand?
Yes, sir.
You sure? You sure? You sure? Okay. So let's do number two. Let's do number two. So number two says, write 80 million, 3 million, 200. So 80 million plus 3 million plus 200,000 plus 90,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 3. We want to write that in standard form. All right. So we have 80 million plus 3 million plus 200,000 plus 90,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 3. And we want to write that in standard form. All right. Grace. Where's Grace?
You should not draw it at your face. And
The children's Bible, and
No.
I can't even do it.
Where's Grace?
Right here.
Grace, do you understand how to pronounce this number?
Yes, sir.
Pronounce this one for me.
80 million.
80 million. Najara, how you pronounce this number?
3 million.
3 million. Giano, how do you pronounce this number? This one.
200,000.
Very good. 200,000. Asia, how you pronounce this number? Yes, Asia.
9,000.
90.
90,000.
90,000. And Legacy, how do you pronounce this number? Where's Legacy? I can't hear from Legacy. Legacy, are you there?
On the mic. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands.
How do you pronounce this one?
80,000.
No, not 1,000, because this is hundreds, this is 100,000, so this is what? We're not in the thousands anymore. We're in the what?
80 million.
80 million. Very good. And Mario Bastian. Mario? Is Mario?
Yes, sir.
How do you pronounce this number?
3 million.
3 million. And Tiagene, how do you pronounce this one? Tiagene, how do you pronounce this number? Say it again, I can't hear you. This number, Tiagene.
200 million.
Say it again.
200 million.
No, that's not million. This is not million. No, this ain't million. This is 200 what? Not. Say it again. I got it. You got to speak into the mic, Tiagene. I can't hear you.
200,000.
200,000. Very good. So this is 200,000. This is 90,000. This is 100. This is 90, and this is 3. Good. So what is going to be it in standard form? Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. What do you think this is going to be in standard form? Put your hands inside the chat. I need everyone to do that. Legacy, Tiagene, Asia, Giano, Grace, and Mario. What do you think this number is going to be in standard form? Remember, look at the first answer. By the way, the first answer is wrong. It is supposed to be, this is wrong. This is 76,420. So based on, oopsies, I think I have the answer up here. Okay, good. So based off of what we have so far, what is the answer gonna be? Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. I see Najara put an answer. Oh, Mario, put commas. Mario, make sure to put commas, please. Thank you, Asia. Thank you, Najara. Mario, put commas in your work. Put commas. Legacy. Legacy, you need to put.
How do you do that?
How do you what?
How does a comma?
How do you put the comma? You have to. You see the number the number after 9. I mean after M. The symbol after M. Press that. That's the comma.
Okay.
The symbol after M. Okay. Tiagene. Miss Tiagene.
Yes, sir.
Look at yours again. Legacy. That's legacy. Where's legacy? Legacy, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After every 3 numbers, then you put a comma. So you can't have 2 numbers, then a comma. Okay. And Tiagene, are you fixing your one? I need you to fix it. You need to put the comma as well, Tiagene. All right, thank you, Giano Coakley. Okay, so I need everyone to pronounce their number that they put. So start with Najara, what number you put, and pronounce it for me.
I put 83,290,193.
Very good. And Grace, what number did you put? Grace, what number did you put?
I put the number 83 million to 2,000.
No, 200.
200,009.
No, 290,000.
290,193.
Very good. Gianna, what number did you put?
What, 83,000
83
and
million.
290,193.
Very good. Very good. Mario, what number did you put?
2 numbers.
What number did you put? What number did you put?
8,000,000
83 million.
83 million.
290,000.
290,193.
Very good. Very good. Legacy, what did you put?
83 million. 1 second. 83,290,103.
No. Say it again. What?
83,290. I mean 2,000.
290,000.
290,000.
100. And
100.
and
Wait,
93.
where's 93?
Yeah, that's what you missed. Right? That's what you missed in your number. Okay. And Tiagene, tell me what number did you put?
80,290,000.
Very good. Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and write it down. So the 8 is gonna be first, right? That's in the 10 millions place. So we put that first. Then we have the 3, which is in the millions place. So we put that here. So that's 83 million. Then we put a comma. Then we have 200,000. So that's going to be 2. Then we have 90,000, which is going to be the 9 right there. And then we have, it's 90,000. So we have to put 90,000. 90,000. Because there's no other number that's in the thousands place. Then we have 100. So 193. So we put 9. And then we put 3. All right. How many persons got this right? Let me know, please, if you got this right.
I got it right.
You got it right?
I got it.
Very good. Very good. So how do we pronounce this number? 83,290,193.
193.
Very good. So write that down inside your book. Write that down inside your book as the answer. 83,290,193. Legacy, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you writing down the answers that I have?
Yes, sir. I'm writing the answer down by hand.
Good. And Mario, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you writing this down, Mario?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so let's move on to the next question. This is going to be the last one before the grade exercise. So make sure you have this written down in your book. Make sure you have this written down in your book because I'm going to ask you to take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. So make sure you have this written down. All right. So let's move on. Can y'all see my screen or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, can you like start slideshow? Okay, this is okay. I don't know. One moment, I have to stop sharing. I'm not sharing. Okay, let me try it now. Okay, can y'all see it now? Okay, so write down
Yes,
number
sir.
write down
Sir.
number 3, please. Write down the third one. Write down the third one. So we have write 90 million plus 5 million plus 300,000 plus 20,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5 in standard form. This is the third one. Write this down for me, please. So I want to know, what is this number, Giano? This one.
90 million.
90 million. Legacy, what is this number? Legacy, what is this number? Where's Legacy?
Sorry for 90 million.
90 million, very good. And Tiagene, what is this number? 90 million, very good. And then Najara, what is this number?
5 million.
5 million. Grace, what is this number?
Excuse me, can I get something?
300,000.
300. 300,000. 300,000. And Mario, how do we pronounce this number? Mario.
300,000.
Very good, 300,000. Grace, how do we pronounce this number? This one right now. Grace, how do we pronounce this number?
300,000.
Very good, 300,000. Asia, how do we pronounce this number?
20,000.
20,000. And Tiagene, what is this number?
400.
400, then we have 20 and 5. So we want to write this in standard form. Do we have this written down yet? Do you all have this written down yet? Let me know if you have this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I already answered it in my book.
Already answered in your book. Okay. So I want you to answer this in your book and also in the chat. So put your answer for this one in the chat for me, please. Again, put your answer for this inside of the chat. Again, put your answers for this inside the chat. I need everyone to answer this question inside the chat for me.
Excuse me, T.
Uh-huh.
I answered it in the chat.
Very good. I need everyone to put their answer.
My answer.
Very good. Again, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. So far I see Gia, who else? I see Tiajane, Mario. All right, so Legacy, very good. Giano Coakley, very good. Grace, very good. Mario Bastian, yours is not correct. You need to correct it. Asia Ingram, very good. Najara, very good. Mario, where's Mario? You need to write yours again. Yours are not correct. You're missing out a number. You're missing out a number. Okay. All right, so let's actually do this. So for our answer, what's the first number we're gonna put?
9.
We're gonna put 9. Right? What's the second number that we're gonna put?
5.
5.
We're gonna put 5. Right? And then after 5, we put a comma.
3.
And then we put what?
Comma.
And then we
3.
put 3 because it's 300,000. And then we put a what?
2. And a 0.
2. Now, is there a number in the thousands place that they tell us?
Yes, sir.
No.
So,
So that means that we have to put the
we put the 0.
0 as a placeholder. And then we have what? 4.
4.
4.
Then what?
2. 5.
2 and 5. And 5, right? All right. Legacy, pronounce this number for me, please. Legacy, pronounce this number for me.
$95 million.
95 million, yes. What else? Someone more.
32,000.
No. Let me let someone else go before you so you can hear what they say. Go ahead, Najara. Pronounce this number for me.
95,320,425.
Very good. Grace, pronounce this number for me, please.
95,320,425.
Very good. Giano, pronounce this number. Giano, pronounce this number for me.
Love it.
Yes, pronounce this number for me.
95,320,320,
320
424,
what? 320 what?
320,000,
Uh-huh.
425.
Very good. And Tiagene, pronounce this number for me.
95,320,435.
Thank you. And go ahead, Legacy, pronounce this number.
95,320,425.
Very good. And Mario, pronounce this number for me.
5
Pronounce this number for me, Mario.
90, 95 million
Uh-huh.
300
320 what?
320,425.
5. Say it again. Say it again. Mario.
Yes, sir.
Say this number again.
95 million
95 million. Uh-huh.
320,425.
Very good. Very good. All right. Good stuff. All right. So what I need you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Let me put my number inside the chat. I need you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. My number is 426-8891. I need everyone to do it, please. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp before we move on to the grade exercise. Everyone need to take a picture of their work and send it to me. Asia, you taking a picture of your work?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I just sent you it.
Thank you, Grace.
Mr. Petit, I sent it to you.
Very good.
My phone just started up.
All right. I got Grace. I got very good. Giano. I got Giano one as well. And Mario, where's your work? Where's Mario? Mario, I need your work. And what's the name?
I'm sending it
Okay.
now.
Okay, Tiagene. Good. How about Legacy? Legacy, where's your work?
Excuse me, but I don't have a phone.
Mario, you have to use your mommy phone.
Is it in the math tutor number?
426-8891. Yes. Thank you, Asia. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do a great exercise on this. So let's go ahead and good afternoon. Okay, good. Okay, so this is a great exercise number 1. I need you to do this for me. And then take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. You need to do these 3 questions on your own. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're taking these numbers, taking them from expanded form, and then changing them into standard form. So I need you to start this work on your own. Theogene Russell, very good. Theogene, make sure I write standard form here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. So I need you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent it.
Okay, no problem. All right, Grace, what number are you on?
Number 1, I'm about to start answering it.
Yes. And Gianna, what number are you on?
I'm on number 1.
You're number 1. Okay, where's Joel?
He's right here.
Joel, are you doing your work? What number
Yes,
you
sir.
on? What number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Giano Coakley, what number you on?
Same thing.
Okay, why is the camera off? Asia, what number you on?
I'm about to go on number 2.
You're about to go on number 2, that's good. And Tiagene, what number you on?
I'm going on number 2. I'm answering number 1.
You're answering number 1, that's good. Mario, what number you on? Mario, what number you on? Where's Mario? Oh, Mario got kicked out. Najara, what number you on?
I'm answering number 1. I'm about to go number 2.
Good. Legacy, what number you on?
Finishing off number 1.
Finishing off number 1. Tiagene, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. That's good. Joel, what number you on now?
Answer number 1.
Answering number 1. Please be careful with this, Joel. Be very careful with this. You and Gianna. So I might make a mistake. Be very, very careful. There's a trick. So don't get caught in the trap. Be very careful. Make sure you look at it carefully. Asia, what number you on?
Answering number 2, about to go on number 3.
Good. Gianna, what number you on?
Me?
Gianno.
2.
Gianno.
Number
Number 2, okay. Grace, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Tiagene, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Spell your name, please.
T-A-J-A-A-N-A-I.
T-A.
J-H.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
A-N-A-I.
Good.
That's it.
Russell?
R-U-S-S-E-L-L.
Okay, thank you. Grace, what number you on now?
I'm answering number 3.
Who phone did you send your work on to me?
That was my phone.
Okay,
My mom isn't home right now. That's why I sent it from that number.
okay. And where is Najara? What number you on?
I'm gonna
You
on
on
number
number
2. I'm gonna answer.
number 2, okay. So number 1, we want to write. How about you, Legacy? What number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2, you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So number 1 says write 20 million, 8 million, 700,000, 30,000, 420, and 1. Write that in standard form. You want to write that in standard form. Number 2 says write 50 million, 7 million, 300,000, 20,000, 862. Write that in standard form. Grace, it is not standard from, it is standard form. Okay.
My bad.
And another thing, you have the right graded exercise. Anyone is on number 2? Is anyone on number 2?
I'm
Yes, sir.
answering. I'm on number 3 now.
And number 3 now?
Me, I'm writing it down.
Okay. Grace, are you finished?
Pardon?
Are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Send the corrections that I told you to do.
I sent it.
Send it? Very good.
Turn left on Southwest 119th Street.
All right, good. Anyone else finish? Is anyone? Yes, go ahead, Tiaja.
Are we sending a picture to
Yes, once you
you or
finish.
put it in the
No, once you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me.
yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right, go ahead.
I'm done.
Who says they finished? Najara, you finished?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent it.
You sent it, good. Giano, are you finished?
I sent it already.
You sent it already? Let me see. All right, good. All right, good, he's finished. Joel, what number you on? Joel, what number you on?
Number 3.
You're number 3? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, so those persons who are finished, well, Legacy, what number you on?
I'm finishing off number 3.
Finishing off number 3. And Tiajane, what number you on?
I'm finished. I sent it to you.
You finished, you sent it to me. Okay, good. Very good. So for those of you who are finished, let's do number 1. Any volunteers for number 1?
I'll do it.
You'll do it? Okay. Let me let Giano, you want to try number 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me let the young man do it. All right.
Excuse me, sorry.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna start my work now.
Good. Okay, what you have for number 1, Giano?
For my answer, I have 28,730,420.
Okay, 28 million. What else?
730,420.
730,000.
420.
421. Did anyone else get this? Let me know if you got this. 421.
I got that.
Anyone else?
You already.
I got
I
it.
got that answer.
Okay.
I got that.
Very good. If you got it right, please put a tick. If you got it right, please put a tick. If you got it wrong, please make the correction. What her name is? Legacy, did you get this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how about you, Joel and Gianna? Y'all got this one right?
I got that one right.
Okay. And where is Asia? You got this right, Asia?
Yes, sir.
Good. Legacy, you got this right?
I don't see answer 2.
No, just number 1. Did you get number 1 right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Tiajane, help me with number 2. Tiajane. What do you have for number 2?
57.
You have to speak into the mic. You
320
have to speak into the mic.
56,320,862.
56 or 57?
57, sorry.
57, very good. Asia, what you have for this one?
I have 57,320,862.
320,862. And Najara, what you have for this one?
57,320,862.
Very good. And Grace, what do you have for this one?
The same answer.
Good. And Legacy, what do you have for this one?
Not like she
Legacy?
The same answer.
What answer is that? Pronounce the number.
57.
57, 57 what?
57 57,320,862.
Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. And Asia, what you have for number 3?
I have 36
30
million
36 million.
240,000
200 and
798.
240,000. And what else?
798.
798. 798. Good. How many persons got all 3 right? I mean, if you
I got
all
a 3. I got
Very
a 3 right.
Me.
Very good. Excellent.
I got all 3 right.
Very good. Very good. Very good. If you got all right,
I
please
got
take
all
a picture.
3 right.
Take a picture of it at work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I got number 2
Malicio?
and
I did.
number 3 right.
Excuse me.
Yes, go ahead.
I just wanted to let you know you're pronouncing my name wrong.
How is your name pronounced?
Tajane.
Tajane. Tajane.
sir.
Tajane. Tajane. My apologies. Tajane. Okay, good.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Uh-huh.
Do we need to send it again? Because we already sent it when we were done.
I mean, no, you don't have to send it again. If you already sent it, that's fine. But I need everyone to send their work if you haven't sent it in yet. All right. All right. So I want to do another example. And this example, Joel and Gianna, please mute yourself. Yeah, the video is lagging. All right. So I want to do another. I don't understand Joel and Gianna. Let me put them in the waiting room. Okay, so let me do another example. So this one is gonna be different. So different than what we have done. So please pay careful attention. So let me share my screen again. So let's say, for example, we have, so this is examples, more examples. Write this down for me, please. So for this one, we want to write 40 million. 1, 2, 3. Write this down for me. So you have 40 million, 1, 2, 3, plus 20 million. I mean, not 20 million, 2 million. Plus 40 million, 2 million, 600,000 plus, where is Grace? Grace, did you send in your work?
Yes, sir.
Good. Did you get all right? Plus,
Yes, sir.
good. Plus 30,000 plus 8,000
So-
plus 200 plus 100 plus 3, not 3, 7 plus 5. And so I want us to write this number in standard form. Write this number in You want to write this number in standard form. You're gonna write it in standard form. Okay, good. So this is sort of different than what we have been doing. I want to see if you all are able to figure this one out. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. I have 40 million plus 2 million plus 600,000 plus 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 5. Put your answer inside the chat. What is going to be this number in standard form? Again, put your answer inside the chat for me. Again, put your answer inside the chat, please. I need everyone to put their answer inside the chat. But it's only have to be careful. It's not exactly like the ones we have done before. So be careful. I see so far Grace has answered. I see Najara has answered. Grace, your answer is wrong. I see Tajane. Very good, Tajane. Legacy. Where's Legacy? That's what I was looking for. Legacy.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. Your answer is not right. Mario Bastian, be careful. Your answer is not right. Very good, Giano. Where's okay. Okay, so what's the difference with this one? Legacy where?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, good. So watch carefully, right? We take the first one out. We take the first one out of each number. So this one is what? 40,000. I mean 40 million, right? So we write that down. Then after that, we have what? We have what? 2 million.
2.
So we write that down, right? Comma. And then we have what?
600,000.
We have 600,000, right? And then we have what?
30,000.
30,000. And then we have what?
8,000.
8,000. This is very important. Legacy. Pay close
Yeah.
attention. We have the
Yes, sir.
we have the 8,000 in this case. All right. We have the 8,000. You understand that? It's there. You see? So we don't have to put 0. You understand?
I see what I did wrong.
You see what you did wrong? Good.
Yes, sir.
We have the 8,000. We don't have to put 0. Where is Mario? Do you understand that, Mario? Where's Mario? Mario, can you hear me? So in this case, we have the 8,000. We don't have to put class. Y'all understand that, right? We have 8,000, so we don't have to put 0.
Yes, sir.
Understand that? And then it's gonna be no, we don't have to put 0. And then we have 1, 7, what? 1, 7, what? 175. All right, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that means that the correct answer for this one is, how do we pronounce this number? Legacy. Uh-huh.
42,638,175.
Very good. Very good. 175. So, Grace, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Asia, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Tajane, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Asia, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And Mario, do you understand this or no?
Yes, sir.
Pronounce this number for me, Mario.
42,638,175.
Very good. All right, so let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. So for this one, because we have the thousands place present, we don't have to put no zero. We don't need no placeholder. All right. So let's do another one. So we're gonna say that'll be number 2. We're gonna say write. So I'm gonna give you what time is it? Yeah, we have enough time. So write this down for me. Write 80 million 23 000 plus 3 million 123 123 plus 400,000 123 plus, let's go for 20,000 123 plus 83426 6. Watch this now. We have 6,000. So we actually have 6,000. So we don't need to put no placeholder. Plus 400 plus 90 plus 3. I want to write this in standard form. Write this in standard form. Okay, good. This is another one to put inside the chat for me. Everyone should get this right. There should be nobody who get this wrong. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. I have 80 million plus 3 million plus 400,000 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 3. Put your hands inside the chat for me. And tell me what you get afterwards. Mario, what number is this? This one.
80 million.
80 million, very good. Asia, what number is this? Asia, what number is this? That's Asia. Asia, I can't hear you. Asia, can you hear me? I can't hear Asia. Najara, what number is this? By the way, put your hands inside the chat for me, please.
3 million.
3 million. Tajane, what number is this?
100,000.
100,000. Grace, what number is this?
20,000.
20,000. Good. So let me check your answers. Ingram, you're correct. Mario, your answer is wrong. Grace, your answer is right. Lakeisha, Tajane, your answer is right. Giano, where's Giano? You forgot a comma. And I need Legacy to answer inside the chat for me, please. Where's Legacy? Answer inside the chat for me, please. Legacy, very good. Okay, so Tajane, what's the first number we're gonna write down? What is the first number you're gonna write down?
8,
8, very good. That's gonna be 8 million. The second number is gonna be what?
3.
3, so that's 83 million right there. Then we put a comma, right?
Yes, sir.
And then we have 4. It's gonna be 400,000. After that, we have what?
2.
2, which is going to be in the 10,000s place. And then we have what? 6.
6.
We actually have 6,000. Last time we didn't have the thousands, right?
Yes.
So we don't have to put no placeholder here. And then we have what? 400.
4,
And then we have what?
9,
9.
9,
Yeah.
3.
And then 3.
3.
Very good. So how do we pronounce this number?
83 million.
83,426,400.
Okay, good. Go ahead. Legacy. Tell me how to pronounce this number.
83,426,493.
Good. And Giano, how you pronounce this number?
83,426,490.
Very good. Okay, good. Perfect.
Do you want
Perfect.
us to write down the answer?
Yes, I need you to write this down in your books. Everything I write on the screen, they need to be in your book. All right, last question. Last question. This is gonna be a bonus. If you could get this, then if you could get this one correct, then you're a genius. All right.
Motion.
So right. Right. 9. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus 10. 1, 2, 3. Plus 7. 1. 1, 2, 3. Plus 6. 1, 2, 3. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3. Plus 2. Plus 6. And I want you to write this in standard form.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
Are we private chatting this to you?
Yeah, you put it inside the chat. Write it first. You have to write it down in your book, and then you put your answer inside the chat.
In the meeting group?
Yeah, in the reading group. Yeah, in the reading group. So we have this big number, and we have this next big number. Added to this next big number. Added this next big number plus this next big number. Our goal is to take this number as an expanded form and put it in standard form. And that's what I want you to do for me. All right. By the way, no, I ain't gonna give y'all no hint. I ain't giving no hint. Let me see if you get to do this by yourself. So once you finish with it, put your answer inside the chat for me. Oh, I already see. Mario put his answer inside the chat. Okay. Tajani put her answer inside the chat. Very good. Gianna put her answer inside the chat. Grace. Just waiting on the rest of you. Put your answer inside the chat for me. So write this
I
down.
put my answer in the chat.
You put your answer inside the chat. Okay. Did you write it in your book yet?
I was writing the numbers and the plus stuff.
Okay. Write it in your book as well, and then take a picture and send it to me. Tajani, are you finished with writing this in your book?
Yes, sir. I wrote it in my book first.
Okay, good. Perfect. Take a picture of it and send it to me, please.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Can I get an next pen, please? My other pen run with the ink.
Quickly. Grace, you have already taken a picture of this and sent it to me.
I'm about to.
You're about to. Legacy, you have your answers inside the chat yet? Asia.
I just finished writing it down.
Okay. Asia, all right. Giano, we waiting on you. Where's Giano?
I just sent it.
He left? Oh, Giano Coakley.
I typing it now.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's write down what we have. So the first number is gonna be what? The first number is gonna be 9.
9.
The second number is gonna be what?
4.
So we have to put a comma.
Mr. Batita, I'm sending it.
Send it now. Okay, good. The next number is gonna be a 4.
3.
4. And then we have a what?
3.
3.
Then we put an 8.
Then we put the
8.
8.
Then we put the comma. Then we put the 1. Then we put the 7. Then we put the 6.
So then we put the
Comma.
1. And after that we put the
7 and
7. And then we put
Excuse me,
the
and I'm still writing it down.
good. Once you finish, write it down, take a picture of it and send it to me. Then what? 6. 6. All right. Then we put what?
I sent it.
5. Thank you. And then we have what? 2
And 6.
and 6. Good. I need someone to pronounce this number for me.
I got it.
Pronounce it, please.
Can I pronounce it, please?
I got it.
Go ahead, Asia.
Let's see.
9,438,000,000.
Yes.
176,526.
Very good. Anyone else?
Oh yeah.
Can I pronounce it, please?
Can I
Go
pronounce
ahead.
it?
Go ahead, Giano.
9,000,000,000.
Uh-huh.
438,000,000.
Yes.
176,526.
Yes. Very good. Anyone else?
May,
Can I pronounce it, please?
Go ahead, Najara.
9,438,176,526.
Yes. Excellent. And Legacy? I can't hear you. Your mic is muted.
9,438,176,526.
Very good. Anyone else?
Can I pronounce it now?
Who's that? Who's that speaking?
Tajane.
Tajane. Go ahead, Tajane.
9,438,176,526.
Uh-huh.
526.
Excellent. And anyone else?
Nope.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Mario. By the way, if you're ready, send in your work.
9 billion 438
Million.
million 176,526.
Very good. By the way, if you're ready, take a picture of your work and send it to me. You can leave, and I will see you all tomorrow at 4:30. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.
Bye.
Excuse
Have a
me,
nice day, Mr. Petit.
Take care.
the phone that I was using is my mom is using it right now.
Okay, once you finish, then you can take a picture of your work and send it to me.
Goodbye.
Good day. Have a good evening. See you all tomorrow at 4:30. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you too.
Bye.
Take care.